Hi y'all, go over again. I'm just doing a review on the shooting of this degal, and then I have a tote and a can. So hopefully, my thought is I'll catch the can, or I'll catch the bullet if it goes through the can, or if it goes in the can, whatever. I'm probably gonna just do a few rounds, and then that'll be it. And I have the tote there to catch it. So, anyways, I got my trusty sunglasses here to prevent me from getting hurt, hopefully. I'm going to try to set this up against this. You all can see me shooting it. Hopefully the footage comes out good enough.
That was a long shot, so.
To see what is going on, I guess. There we go. First round. You can see the safety's right here. Safety off. Fire, ready to go. Hey.
Awesome.
We're going to do two-handed, I think. Two hands. One on the trigger, one on this. Let's see what's going to happen. Hopefully it doesn't go through the toilet. Does that bounce like a bitch?
Yes. That gun is done.
Definitely bounce like a bitch, so it's not all enough to go through the toilet.
Hurry,
But you had to hit the can, so. Let's do it.
Thank you. That's I needed that. Bitch. Aw. My teammates.
But yeah, that was that first round. Seems like it packs a punch, so.
Oh, darling.
Yes, baby. Oh, I'm doing a video.
Okay, well, finish your video and then I'll talk.
Okay, so sorry, my wife turned in. I'm gonna do one more shot with this, and then we'll call it quits. See if I can get it. Maybe a little closer. Maybe go through the can. I don't know. Nope, it bounced, but it didn't in the can like a son bitch.
You're a bitch, such a mom.
I mean, yet again it bounced. So it's not powerful enough to go through the can, but it didn't.
Oh,
As you can see.
it was a draw? Really?
It's pretty
A
damn.
draw?
So yeah, that's just my shooting review. Inside, kind of weird. And yeah, cool.
This bitch killed me. He laid there. I thought he was dead.
Wow.
So I fucking jump up and he just fucking kills me. Like a bitch.
You all have a great day. That's Clover out. Love y'alls. Peace.